Pakistan's army chief posters were seen at the Lashkar-e-Taiba rallies. Do we need more evidence that Pakistan's military and the terror outfits are on the same page? Enough evidence coming forth for decades now, but let me give you one more proof. Look at that. Hafiz Saeed, of course, known Lashkar-e-Taiba terrorist founder, the terror rallies being held in Pakistan. But here's how they are also as much flaunting and boasting about the military. Remember, Lashkar-e-Taiba is no social organization. It's launched multiple attacks against India. Every attack has had a Jaish or a Lashkar imprint. Hafiz Saeed's posters are being flaunted. What is happening in Pakistan? And then the Pakistan government says we want peace talks with India. How does India in 2025 believe that the peace talk initiative by Pakistan is not on the other side as we are watching these rallies? And this is Karachi now. Barely about a minute ago, I was telling you about the rallies that are being organized in Lahore, in other parts of Pakistan. These are not Pakistan-occupied Jammu Kashmir areas, border areas. This is Lahore, Karachi, Rawalpindi. These are the big cities of Pakistan. And what do we have here? How can Pakistan government on one side say we want a peace talk and then allow these rallies, public rallies? What are these men saying? And every time you hear them speak on the stage, you hear against India, against Indians, against existence of India. And of course, India in 2025 is no fool. Pranay Upadhyay joins me for the latest on that. Pranay, so one rally in Lahore. Now we are talking about Karachi. Tell me about this rally in Lashkar-e-Taiba and why do we say army, terror groups on the same page in Pakistan?
I think it's very evident, Pooja, that they are on the same page. They are celebrating the nuclear test of Pakistan, and these terror outfits and these terror heads are actually involved in close conjunction with the Pakistan military, and they are celebrating the Pakistan so-called military, which they are showcasing in Pakistan. So this clearly shows a close nexus between these two. The Pakistan military, Pakistan's political establishment, and these terror outfits. They might be keeping this facade that they are running some social outfit, some political outfit. You would recall, Pooja, that after that, in that namaz, the famous photograph India is showcasing to the world, where the namaz-e-janaza, the final rites prayer, was being conducted by a terror head. And there you could note that Pakistan's argument was that he was worker of Pakistan Milli Muslim League, which is a political outfit, but who's heading that political outfit, political party? The vice president of that PMMLN is none other than Talha Saeed. Talha Saeed is son of Hafiz Saeed, and he is one of the most in India for various terror attacks. So this clearly shows the close association of these terror outfits and even the video which we played just a while ago of Saifullah Kasuri, the name he mentioned is of Mudassar, the guy who was killed in India's Operation Sindoor strikes. He was there in Markaz-e-Taiba, which is at Murid Ke, Lahore, Bahawalpur. These are the places where these terror outfits are based, and not only based, they are protected by the Pakistani establishment. So this clearly shows their connivance and their clear conjunction in carrying out such terror incidents, and that's why India has made it clear that this time we are not going to make a distinction between state and non-state, because here the line diminishes between the state and non-state. They're clearly part of this entire thing. The words said by Pakistan's army chief, and then followed by Pahalgam terror attacks. So this clearly shows what connection they hold.
Thank you, Pranay, for now, because at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, remember, when we talk of Lashkar-e-Taiba, it's not just in isolation. Parliament attack 2001, Mumbai terror attacks 2008, and innumerable other attacks, including the train attacks that have happened in Mumbai and other country, has been organized, orchestrated, launched by Lashkar-e-Taiba. Today, their pictures, their public rallies are allowed in different parts of Pakistan. So to say, their handlers, their deputy chiefs are speaking against India in Karachi, in Lahore, in Rawalpindi with the images of Pakistan military. And we have to believe, we are expected to believe, Pakistan wants peace talks with us.